Christmas to me.
That's Christmas to me.
That's Christmas to me.
That's Christmas to me.
Picking out the leaves on the crooked Christmas trees. That's Christmas to me.
That's Christmas to me.
That's Christmas to me. Oh yeah. Just to spend some good old time with my family. We got chestnuts slowly roasting to the voice of Nat King Cole. And when you're not really looking, I catch you underneath the mistletoe. That's Christmas to me.
That's Christmas to me.
That's Christmas to me.
That's Christmas to me.
It's the most wonderful time, wouldn't you agree? That's Christmas to me.
That's Christmas to me.
That's Christmas to me. Oh yeah. Just chilling and hanging out with family. That's Christmas to me.
That's Christmas to me.
That's Christmas to me.
That's Christmas to me.
Picking out the leaves of the crooked Christmas trees. That's Christmas to me.
That's Christmas to me.
That's Christmas to me.
That's Christmas
Oh
to me.
yeah. Just spending some good old time with family. That's Christmas to me.
That's Christmas.
That's Christmas to me.
That's Christmas to
Oh
me.
yeah. It's the most wonderful time, wouldn't you agree? That's Christmas to me.
That's Christmas.
That's Christmas to me.
That's Christmas to
Oh
me.
yeah. Just chilling and hanging out with the family.
That's Christmas to me.
Just spending some good old time with the family.
Well, thank you for joining me in Jigsaw Shed. So there's a little bowl I made, again using the Dremel for texturing, but I decided to add some extra detail with the Simon Hope texturing tool. I'm not sure if you can see all of it, but I will have some stills up at the end. Now, I could have used a bit more black in the grooves, as some white showing up, but it just gives a bit more of a rustic look. And I really like the bowl. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Now, I filmed this bowl probably about 2 weeks ago, only because I haven't actually been out here as it's been really cold and my heater's been used inside the house as we had a problem with the heating. Now, I've come to a point where I'm nearly hitting 1,000 subscribers. I think I'm only about 60 away, so thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate that. If you've not done so yet, do subscribe and hit that bell notification, because hopefully in the new year I will announce a giveaway when I hit 1,000 subscribers, so don't miss out on that video. For UK subscribers, I am thinking of giving away a Dremel Stylo Plus. For my Instagram, you will see that I've done quite a few projects with that recently and been enjoying just using that, mainly because I can use it indoors as well while it's cold. And worldwide, I will give away one of my projects, maybe one that I've made or one that I am to make still, but I haven't decided yet. So yeah, do watch out for that video. But anyway, this is my last video of 2022. I will see everyone again in the new year. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my channel and been watching and following me and leaving comments. You're all greatly appreciated, and thank you for making this such a joyful experience. And I just want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Take care.